The AI revolution has put people into fear of the future because of the needs of how AI could do intelligent tasks and beat humans at doing those tasks. Is that true? Well, ChatGPT is an AI tool that is powered by OpenAI. ChatGPT can do a lot of things like answering difficult questions, writing articles, generating codes, to create tools, and it even generated a video script and all other things. ChatGPT is so intelligent that it has created endless profit potential to people working online. The truth is that people can't make money directly with ChatGPT, but with the help of this powerful AI, people have developed a way to make money with ChatGPT, and I'll explain the various ways to make money with ChatGPT. There is a free bonus training at the end of this video that will explain how to make $1,500 per day working online, so make sure to stick to the end of this video. So let's talk about the ways to make money with ChatGPT. Number one, you need to start a YouTube automation channel. So an automation channel is a YouTube channel that does not require the owner to show their face. This channel is like a business because you need to hire video script writers, voiceover artists, the video creators and editors, and then you can just do the video topic research on your own to get viral video topics. The reason why people are employed in a YouTube automation business is so that experts can handle them. If you have to do all the aspects yourself, the business might fail. So the only way to do it is to learn all the aspects of a YouTube automation business, which will consume a lot of time. That is why people call it a YouTube automation business, because you hire people that will do all the aspects of video creation. You may even need to hire a thumbnail designer. So how can ChatGPT help you to make money with a YouTube automation business? ChatGPT can help you choose a niche. So choosing a niche is the first step to a successful YouTube automation business. And with a command word typed into ChatGPT, it will bring out niches that you can build a YouTube automation business on. So for example, you can type in, tell me 10 viral YouTube niches to get a lot of views. Within seconds, you will have the exact number of niches you requested for. You can also ask ChatGPT for viral topic ideas for your YouTube videos. When you have gotten the videos, you can then request for a video script. ChatGPT will also generate that quickly. The issue is that you don't have to copy and paste these answers that ChatGPT generates. It is best to go through it and edit the results that you are given. YouTube automation channels does not need any human face. It just needs a voice over, video clips, b-rolls, and images. And this will be put together to create a ready-made video. ChatGPT can also create thumbnail ideas for you and also develop video descriptions. You may be wondering how a YouTube automation business make money. The first thing to worry about is getting a lot of views and subscribers. The way to make money with a YouTube automation channel are: number one, through YouTube ad revenue. YouTube will pay to display ads on your videos only when you have reached the requirements. You will also make money from sponsors. Depending on the niche that you are in, you can also make from $1,000 to $10,000 or more per sponsored videos. Another determining factor is the size of your channel. The money that a 10,000 subscribers channel will make will be different from a 1 million subscribers channel. So you need to put in the work and create videos that will get a lot of views. So number two, you can use ChatGPT to start a blog. Yes, you heard that right. So you can use ChatGPT to start a blog. So starting a blog is also the best way to use ChatGPT to make money. A blog does not require a lot of capital. With just web hosting, you'll be able to start a blog from scratch and grow it in 6 to 8 months. With ChatGPT, it has become easier. So writing articles will be easier because ChatGPT can write almost all the topics you can think of. You can give ChatGPT an instruction like this: create a 2,000 words blog post about losing belly fat. ChatGPT will then spit out a really good and professionally written article about how to lose belly fat. It is advised to edit this article so that you don't get a strike from Google for plagiarism. When you are consistent with your blog, your traffic will skyrocket and you'll be able to make a lot of money through Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsorship deals, and many more monetization methods. You can start getting results with your blog in just 8 months. Number 3, you can sell articles created by ChatGPT. ChatGPT is good at doing a lot of things, and one of those things that ChatGPT is good at is creating articles, well-written articles. You can never know that it is a bot that created the article. In fact, ChatGPT can create articles on any topic. It was even said that ChatGPT created a product review, which is very rare. Not too many AI can do that, but ChatGPT created a full review about this product. There have also been some complaints of plagiarism, which means you need to edit your articles. AI is meant to just make your work easier, not to make you lazy. You need to edit and look through the articles for any mistake, or you can use Grammarly to detect any plagiarized content. These articles, after creating it, can be sold to clients. If you are a freelancer, you can sell these articles to clients and make money for yourself. With ChatGPT, you'll be able to do more work than what you do, which means if you write 1 article per day, you should be able to write 2 articles or more. So number 4, you can start an affiliate marketing business with ChatGPT. So this is still my most favorite method to make money with ChatGPT because I use it myself a lot. Affiliate marketing is a business model that is easy and can make you a millionaire. What is affiliate marketing all about? This is the process of selling other people's products for a commission. It does not need to be selling. There are some products that pay affiliate when people sign up through their link or download things. Products that you can promote will range from physical products to digital products to courses to software. So there is a wide variety of products that have affiliate programs. But well, you may ask, how does ChatGPT help affiliate marketers make money? First, the issue with affiliate marketing is not finding a product. It is actually building an audience that you can promote those products to. These audiences will be your followers on different social media channels, and they will buy what you recommend for them. So for example, you can build an audience on Facebook, Instagram, Quora, YouTube, Google, through blogging, Twitter, Pinterest, or TikTok. So ChatGPT can give you content ideas for all these platforms, which means that you don't really have problems creating content. With the help of ChatGPT, you can create a Facebook post, Instagram post ideas, a YouTube video, an article for your blog, and so on. So with affiliate marketing, it is often advised to build a list of email subscribers, people that put their name and emails in your opt-in form. ChatGPT will help you create high persuading emails that will make your subscribers take actions. Number 5, you can start a dropshipping business with ChatGPT, also known as OpenAI. So starting a dropshipping business can be very, very stressful. In fact, affiliate marketing is even a simple business model to dropshipping. With dropshipping, you need to create the product page, deal with customer support, and even create ads creative. But you may ask, what is dropshipping all about? So for those that are new, dropshipping is a process of selling products directly to customers without touching the products. All you need to do is to create a store with a hosting company like Shopify and then link it to the supplier's website with the help of a software. So this software will automatically fulfill orders that you get on your store by entering the customer's details on the supplier's website. The way you make the profit is by adding to the product price, and whenever a customer buys the product, you make your profit. Very simple as that. So ChatGPT can help create product descriptions for your store, and ChatGPT can also find winning dropshipping products for you that can make you a lot of money online. So number 6, you can create little tools with ChatGPT and sell them. So with ChatGPT, you can create simple software tools that you can sell. For example, if you encounter a problem in your online business and you notice that a lot of people also encountered the same problem, you can use ChatGPT to create softwares by using codes generated by ChatGPT, from where you can make money by selling the software tools. So create an app with ChatGPT and charge people for subscription. With the knowledge of creating codes, you can create apps with ChatGPT. Well, all you need is to have an idea of an app and create the app. This way of making money with ChatGPT look advanced, but trust me, it is very simple with the help of ChatGPT. Now to the bonus tip you've been waiting for. I have a 3 series video that can teach you how to make $1,500 per day with affiliate marketing. I'll be uploading them on my YouTube channel anytime soon, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out when the video drops, right? So see you in the next video and thanks for watching. Ciao.